How to share other story on Facebook. First is by opening your Facebook app and then go to stories right here. And then open the story that you want and click on this three dots found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then click on copy link to share this story. And then you may go to your Messenger, your Instagram, or any other apps that you want. Go ahead onto the chat and then you may paste the link of that story. So click on the send button and then now that story has been sent. So again, just a recap, open your Facebook, click on the three dots found on um, the story, and then click on the copy link to share this story and share it to different apps that you want. So there you go. That's how you can share other story on Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.